Have you ever felt like technology is moving so fast it's almost dizzying? Well, you're not wrong, especially when it comes to artificial intelligence. Imagine this. Governments all over the world are in a mad dash, trying to build fences around a technology that's already sprinting ahead. AI is getting smarter, more autonomous, and has access to more of our sensitive data than ever before. New rules are popping up to control the most powerful AI, stop deepfake scams, and protect our privacy. But here's the scary part. These rules can't keep up. The AI models are becoming unpredictable, even deceptive, and are being woven into everything from our power grids to our financial systems. We're seeing biased decisions, AI-generated fraud, and systems that even their creators don't fully understand. The risks are piling up, and policy is stuck in the slow lane. So the real question isn't if. AI will be regulated, but whether regulators can act fast enough to prevent a major global incident. This is Tech Outbreak. Thanks for watching. Follow for more insights to stay informed and stay ahead of the curve.